Here comes our Zoomlion SITRAK chassis concrete pump truck. Let Gigi give more details.
Hello everyone, breaking news. Today we will bring you a very affordable and a very new pump truck for you. It's this one. This one behind me. Its made year is 2025 year. It's very new. It's close to new, but its price is much cheaper than the brand new one. Okay, let us get closer to the truck to get more details. You can see about this truck. This chassis is a SITRAK. Okay, and its model number is VLJ5231 model, and its total weight is 23,000 kilograms. Okay, and about this boom arm is 38 meters, and it's also very suitable for many construction scenarios, but its price is very cheap and very affordable. It's naturally suitable for someone who wants to save money, but who wants to use the concrete pumps to work for many projects.